Ma'am, sir, hanap niyo po ba mid-size lot only here in New Valley? Ma'am, sir, we have available 148 square meter. And to this video, ma'am, sir, papakita ko sa inyo where exactly located this lot only. Ma'am, sir, andito na tayo where exactly located po the mid-size lot po dito sa Southfield Settings, New Valley. Total of 148 square meter po. So if you are like na kung kayo po yung nagsisimula pa lang for family po, starting family po, well, I guess this is the right size po for you po, 148 square meter. So just to give you an idea po, for the lot po na size na ito, at least po more than 200 square meter up and down po na house and lot ang pwede nyo po ipatayo dito. And when it comes po sa design, ma'am sir, as long po na modern contemporary, you can create your own design po. So ma'am sir, for this property mo po ma'am sir is naka-clean title na po siya. We offer po cash or even bank financing po for this property po. Ma'am sir, if you are interested for this available lot only po na 148 square meter, message lang po kami sa number na ito, naka-Viber at saka naka-WhatsApp na po ito 24/7 po ma'am. I can assure you ma'am sir, sasagutin po namin lahat ng concern nyo. Also, message nyo po kami sa AK Realty PH po para po magkaroon po tayo ng conversation and let's do an actual viewing po for the lot only po na ito. So ayun po ma'am sir, maraming salamat po. Message nyo lang po ako if you're interested po for this lot only.